Hello students, welcome to you all in chemistry class. Today we are going to start chapter 2, acid, bases and salts. Acids. Acids are substances which have sour taste. It is derived from the word acidus. For example, vinegar, tomato, lemon. Lemon and orange contain citric acid, vinegar acetic acid, tomatoes oxalic acid, curd lactic acid, apples malic acid. Bases. Bases are substances which have bitter taste. For example, baking soda, washing soda, and bitter gourd. But it is very dangerous to taste any chemical substance. You are therefore advised never to taste any chemical substance. Now, how to test that given substance is an acid or a base without tasting it? For this, we need indicators. Indicators are substances which use to identify acidic and basic nature of substance. Indicators are classified into natural indicator, synthetic indicator, and olfactory indicators. Natural and synthetic indicators help in identifying acidic and basic solution by showing change in color. Olfactory indicators help in identifying acidic and basic solution by producing change in smell. Advantage of such indicator is that they ensure the participation of visually impaired and color blind students in the lab. Indicators showing different colors in acidic and basic medium are natural indicator, that are litmus, turmeric, red cabbage leaf, petals of hydrangea, petunia, and geranium. Synthetic indicator, man-made indicator, for example, phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Litmus, a natural indicator. It is a purple dye which is extracted from the lichen, a plant belonging to division Thallophyta, and is commonly used as indicator. When litmus is neither acidic nor basic, its color is purple. In acidic medium, it turns red. In basic medium, it turns blue. Next natural indicator, turmeric. Easily available indicator as it is used in cooking. It's yellow in acidic and neutral solution, but turns bright red in basic solution. Red cabbage leaves. Red in acidic medium, bluish green in basic medium. Next, petals of hydrangea, blue in acidic medium and pink in basic medium. Petals of geranium, orange red in acidic medium but blue in basic medium. Next, petals of petunia, reddish purple in acidic medium and violet in basic medium. Synthetic indicators, that are man-made indicators, for example, phenolphthalein and methyl orange. Phenolphthalein, It is colorless in a neutral and in acidic medium, but pink in basic medium. Phenolphthalein, colorless in acidic medium, pink in basic medium. Methyl orange. It is orange in neutral solution, red in acidic solution, and yellow in basic solution. Methyl orange, red in acidic medium, and yellow in basic. Next, olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators are indicators that help in identifying acidic and basic solution by producing change in smell. For example, onion and vanilla essence. Onion retain its smell in acidic medium, but it loses its smell in basic medium. Vanilla essence also retain its smell in acidic medium, but loses in basic medium. It's a summary of indicators in acidic and basic medium. So note down all the indicators and their color in acidic and basic medium.